Welcome to Broham Builders. This is a special edition of us in the real. So here we go.
Indeed, us in the
Morning, Doc. How you doing today?
I'm doing fabulous.
Perfect. Morning, Joe. How you doing today?
I'm peachy, just peachy today.
And Miles. Hello, Miles. Yeah, he's sweet.
So
All right.
Boyd, how are you today, Boyd?
I'm feeling well, but I really feel like building something today. So I want to show the people how we actually enjoy hanging out. Yes, definitely. Let's build something.
Yes. So what are we gonna build?
I don't know. I had this pallet. I thought we'd just kind of stand here and stare at it and figure out if it pops into our head. All right.
Let's ponder.
Okay. There it is.
So if we...
All right. Now our pallet's apart. So today, on our mission for a shoe rack. You know, I got big feet. You know, just about that size.
Really?
Guys, yeah.
Why are you gonna put your shoe up on the table?
Oh, I just thought you needed it to measure. That's all.
I mean,
you know,
but,
like.
But it smells funny.
Well, that's part of life, you know?
Yeah.
I'm a guy. I smell sweet to myself. So, we're getting ready to sand some stuff. We're measuring. We're getting ready to cut.
So, I do love these weekend mornings where we can just get out, build something, get those creative juices going, feel productive, and most importantly, have fun with friends.
All right.
Building.
We got done all the little sanding and the boring stuff out of the way for you guys. So now, we're back to it. We're doing a little measuring.
Well, we're done measuring, bro.
Oh, I'm watching him make lines. Maybe it's not measuring.
We're done measuring. I already measured everything. While y'all were playing with bugs over there.
Well, you know, it's
Boys,
Maryland.
boys.
There's bugs. We like bugs.
It's cool, bro.
Bugs are fun.
But, you know,
Want to draw lines on these too?
don't need to.
I mean, you seem to be really good at this line drawing.
You
Well,
are
I mean,
good
I'm
at that.
not quite the professional that you
After
are,
all.
sir, but...
Inside joke, guys. Inside joke.
Alright, you ready to put this thing together?
That's a
Yep.
symbol.
Time to put it together.
Alright, let's go.
Welcome to Boyd Broham's perspective. Joe screwing.
Professional screwer.
Professional.
Yeah, that's what they say.
But he cares.
I do.
He's sensitive. Kind.
It's not nice to lie.
Kind to most of us. Us two, me and him. Yes.
If you'd listened to my idea that I hadn't said, let's put the two ends on and then there.
Would you like the screw?
No, it's level. They're
It's
plumb. Plumb. Flush.
Really? Well,
No, it's not either of those.
They are completely working together like
In fact,
professionals
this isn't even
here.
Square. It's rectangle.
It's perfect.
Nick Robin had a birthday recently.
Did he now?
Did he?
He has one every year. So.
That is true. All right, back to it.
Nice.
I know you are. What's wrong?
Because I want to build this.
I want to build stuff. I want to build stuff. I can't give anybody crap because I want to build stuff. I'm Joe.
It's
Yeah.
Wye River has some of the best blue crabs around.
best tasting.
Yes.
I think.
They aren't very well behaved, but they taste really good.
They're a bit crabby.
All right. Exactly.
Oh, look at that.
Hey, you want a couple of screws?
Joe made a funny.
Joe's busy, but he's doing all the work. I am not.
I just chopped liver everywhere.
At the moment, we do want it
Good?
right.
Yeah.
Repurposed. Reuse.
Shoe
recycle.
rack.
There you go. It's all built. Thank you for watching us. Please like, subscribe, and look for more videos.